Now, a new automotive training initiative supported by China is underway in Sierra Leone. The overseas training course on capacity construction of automobile repair and maintenance will run until mid-December. It's aimed at improving the mechanical skills of 50 trainees there. Eric Kawa reports from Freetown.
In Sierra Leone, the number of vehicles keeps increasing every year, and so too does the demand for professional and efficient automotive care services. Local mechanic Samuel Conte has spent more than 15 years servicing, repairing and keeping cars on the road in the capital Freetown. He knows fully well why it's important to improve his mechanical skills so as to keep pace with the changing times.
Sometimes we have the general idea and experience to handle repairs, but there are specific things we don't know, and that makes the work take longer because we lack the exact techniques. We need to get quicker and more accurate results.
A new initiative supported by China has been launched to help mechanics like Samuel upgrade their skills, and the first course for local mechanics is already going on in Freetown. The 21-day program brings together Sierra Leone government drivers, mechanics from across the country, as well as lecturers from Milty Magai Technical University and Freetown Polytechnic. Officials from the Road Safety Authority are also taking part in the training. Some car owners in Sierra Leone have reported losing both money and time due to having their vehicles repaired and sometimes damaged by quacks posing as professionals. They believe that this training will help many local mechanics improve their skills through crucial practical lessons. While Samuel keeps the garage running, his colleague Musa Koroma is one of 50 Sierra Leoneans benefiting from the Chinese-backed automotive training program.
I am happy because these things will help us in our lives. They will benefit us in the long run. When we do the job, the training we receive helps us learn a lot. What we didn't know before, they teach us here so we can gain more knowledge.
Musa says he hopes to take what he learns from the training back to the garage to help others improve their skills. Chinese officials say the course has been customized to meet the needs of Sierra Leonean mechanics.
Because the automobile industry is developing very fast, our main goal is to teach the most basic repair and inspection skills. That means being able to look at a car, identify where the problem is and fix it. Our instructors are very experienced and highly qualified, and they adjust their teaching based on the different needs of each student.
Sierra Leonean officials have praised efforts to strengthen ties between the West African nation and China, highlighting the growing partnership between the two countries.
As I speak, we now have a center of excellence at the Freetown Polytechnic, specifically the Kisi campus, which has been set specifically for automobile maintenance and repairs with state-of-the-art technologies that are deployed here.
For mechanics taking part in this course, it's a game changer that will help them go about their work professionally and safely. Eric Kawa reporting for CGTN in Freetown, Sierra Leone.